Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about chapter 3.1. In chapter 3.1, the first important event we learn about is the Great Depression. In the Great Depression, it was caused by the stock market crashing, which means that there was not enough money. Banks were failing, businesses were failing, people are losing money fast, and basically it was a whole money decreasing event. There were a lot of jobs lost around the world. The US had to stop loans, which resulted in many other problems, and it also enabled Hitler to rise and take over with Germany, which is the next event we're going to talk about. Hitler's rise in Germany. Hitler promised to make Germany one of the best countries again. He became the Chancellor of Germany and ignored the Treaty of Versailles by going over the limit of 100,000 troops in the army. He also had warships, submarines, and airships, and he spread fear around the world using propaganda. So he took advantage of the USA, which was one of the major world powers. He took advantage that they were failing, and he used propaganda to spread fear, so Germany could take control over the world and become stronger than the US. While this was happening, Mussolini changed to being a dictator, and he wanted to make Italy an empire. So since he realized he couldn't defeat Hitler, he decided to ally with him. And the next event we learn about is Japan's aggression. Japan decided to invade Manchuria after the military took over the government. Even though they were not able to invade Manchuria because of the League of Nations, they still did it, and the League of Nations did not intervene. That's because Britain and France were too scared to fight, and they were too weak to fight. They were focused on self-defense. Then the next event we learn about the Spanish Civil War, which is two political groups, the communists and the fascists. Francisco Franco, which is the fascist, won and became dictator. This is because Germany and Italy helped him. And next we learn about Hitler's expansion. Hitler invaded Rhineland, Austria, and Sudetenland. And after invading Sudetenland, which is a part of Czechoslovakia, they took over all of Czechoslovakia in its entirety. And that's when World War II started, because Hitler invaded Poland in addition to all the other countries, and Britain and France declared war on them. Thank you for listening. Come back for the next video.